Welcome to Nursing 791. We are going to be working very closely together through this course. So just kind of as an overview, for this course you will be structuring your project based on the evidence that you gained in your literature review and along with those chosen theories and or models. So your chapter 1 that you completed in 790 will be the foundation for your chapter 2. That you'll be completing through this course. One of the first requirements is to meet with me, either virtually or in person, to discuss the course and the timeline for completion of assignments. Feel free to contact me by email, and let's set up an appointment early on so that we can have a conversation and both be on the same page. So in the meantime, please go to the Start Here and Course Materials tab and review the course documents. Please pay special attention to that course timeline. You may want to print the timeline for easy reference, and just know that that timeline is very deliberate to help you to be successful in this course. Now, if you don't have to wait until those due dates and want to do things early, please feel free to do so. You can most certainly do that. But those timelines are there for a very deliberate reason to keep you on the trajectory to be completed by the end of the course. So getting back to the course itself, you'll also find the needed course materials such as the syllabus, the aggregate outcomes, student learning outcomes, rubrics, and IRB guidance in the Start Here and Course Materials tab. So that's a really important part. All your completed assignments as we move forward will be uploaded in the assignment tab. So this is a little different. We don't have modules. So we'll have the course materials in the Start Here and Course Materials section, and then all of your assignments, once you complete those, will be uploaded under the Assignments tab. And this is to kind of make things a little clearer and easy to use. So just as a reminder, make sure that all the forms that you complete through this course have the required signatures. The forms that have the alphabet titles, make sure you have those signatures before you upload them in the course, and remember to also upload those that are required in the portfolio to be uploaded in the portfolio as well. These are just gentle reminders. So kind of in addition, please plan ahead for your DNP Advanced Scholarly Project Overview presentation. You will need to work with all 3 of your team members to establish a date, so please do that early so everyone can have your date on their calendar. So in conclusion, I really look forward to working with you in Nursing 791, and don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or if I can assist you in any way. Take care now.